Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Tuesday, April 11th. Yes, has anybody ever said you can't have enough beets? They're sprouted. Looks like the yellow squash is coming up. And there's tons of little green shoots trying to poke through down here. We'll see in a few days what's made it and what's not. Now that's a tomato. Well, we've decided that we're going to go ahead and start planting, but these aren't big enough to plant yet. But I think we can put some pole beans in today. I got some long purple beans from Florida, some Kentucky beans, and some asparagus beans. I soaked them overnight last night, so let's go ahead and plant. But let's stop by the amaranth and see how they did last night. They're standing up proud. If you remember a couple weeks ago, we started setting these poles in. We put this screen on top. We're going to plant on this trellis, and hopefully it'll run right across this screen. We'll be able to pick beans hanging right off. I'm only going to plant across the tall part of this trellis. Plant beans in the deep mulch garden. It's just like everything else. Pull that mulch back down to bare soil. The one reason I like using the pitchfork, it makes it just about the right width. We're going to plant our Kentucky beans right across here. And I guess I could have left these in here till they sprouted, but then we wouldn't have anything to plant today. And this should help them out anyhow. And yes, I'm planting these kind of heavy. The beans don't seem to mind being pretty close together. Nice soil contact. And we're just going to put a little bit of mulch. Not very much. And these look pretty much the same. I know this came out of the purple sack, and this came out of the asparagus sack. So we're going to put the purple beans on the front part of this. There's our helpers. Yeah, I don't have quite as many of these, so I'm being a little more careful about spacing them out. Make sure you have good soil contact is the key. Get a little bit of this beautiful soil back up on there. But yeah, they've already started to split the hull, which is a good sign. The asparagus beans sort of reminded me of cowpeas, the way the bean pods were last year. And yes, we will go ahead and plant some cowpeas here in a little bit. Just put a little bit of this mulch back over. Even with it being this damp, you want those beans to continue to swell up and start sprouting. And in just a few days, we'll see what we'll get. And with any luck, it'll come up here and it'll trail all the way down here, and we'll have beans hanging down. Nice, easy pickings. That's the plan anyhow. You can do this too. Just takes a little pre-planning, a little bit of mulch. If you'd like to learn more about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in here in the garden. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.